Hi guys, this is Jonna and welcome to my daily diaries. So, pagdating ko ng bahay guys is may mga nadatnan akong parcel na galing sa kapatid ko. So, siya yung nag-order ng mga yan. So, this coming Friday kasi yung birthday ng anak ko. So, magpapabisita kami. May mga pupuntang friends and relatives. And, tong bahay kasi namin is medyo boring pa siyang tignan. As in, wala masyadong kabuhay-buhay. Kaya, ayan, nag-order yung kapatid ko ng mga plants. Actually, artificial lang naman yung mga plants. Pero makakatulong siya para yung bahay is magmukhang welcoming. So, itong bahay pala guys, isa kapatid ko to. Pero, nagtulungan kaming lahat kasama si mama para matapos kaagad. And sa ngayon, family house muna siya kasi yung kapatid ko is nasa ibang bansa. And then, kapag ako naman yung magpapatayo ng bahay, sabi ng kapatid ko yung mga nagastos ko dito, babalik din naman niya. Habang nagluluto si daddy is nag-open muna kami ng mga parcels. And then, sobrang daming ganap din ng mga past few months. Kaya ngayon lang din ulit ako nakapag-vlog. And sabi ni daddy, okay lang daw din mag-vlog kasi at least nare-record nga yung mga memories namin. And yung mga occasions na gusto naming balikan someday is nandito sa YouTube. Yung mga dati kong vlog sa dati naming tinitirhan is nire-upload ko siya dito sa bagong YouTube channel ko. So, doon yung makikita yung mga naging journey namin before kami lumipat dito sa bahay. Actually, private ko na siya and sabi ko, gawa na lang ako ng bagong channel para dito na ulit mag-umpisa yung vlog ko. Pero, parang nung mga last week is nakita ko, parang sayang naman kaya nire-upload ko na lang siya dito sa bago kong channel. Honestly, yun din yung naging reason kaya ginanahan ulit akong mag-vlog nung mga napanood ko yung mga dati kong vlog. Kaya ngayon is nag-vlog na ulit ako and sana maging consistent na. So, mag-open muna tayo ng mga parcel ngayon. So, enjoy watching guys! Inaantay lang namin yung sasabihin ng kapatid ko kung saan ba talaga namin ilalagay ang in-order niyang flower. Kasi sabi niya sa amin may paglalagyan din daw siya niyan. So, ayan yung mga naunang dumating na artificial flower. Lahat yan galing sa Lazada. And yan, bumili din yung kapatid ko ng curtain para sa mga doors ng rooms. And meron din actually dun sa my kitchen. So, ayan, yun yung mga artificial plants. So, yan, nagustuhan yan ni mama kasi nakaka-alive daw ng bahay. So, this is the D-Day. So, birthday ng anak ko ngayon. And first, nag-games muna yung mga bata before kami kumain. So, yung mga close friends and relatives lang actually namin yung inimbitahan namin kasi gusto lang din namin ng simple celebration. So, minsanan na lang kapag magdidibo siya or sa 7th birthday niya next year, doon kami mag-iimbita talaga ng medyo maraming mga kamag-anak at kaibigan. So, yan, yung mga kapitbahay namin and yung mga pamangkin ko is present silang lahat dyan. So, nag-games lang sila and yan din yung nagpapasaya sa birthday ng mga bata. So, yung mga games and mga prizes nila. So, yun guys, enjoy watching dun sa mga ginagawa nilang games dyan. And mabuti na lang at hindi naman umulan ngayon, makulimlim lang. So, go pa rin ang party. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle.
Blow mo na,
Blow na. One more. There's more, there's more. Here. One more, one more. Happy birthday! Okay. Here's first the box. Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. Help me. Help me tear it down. Tear it down. Oh, you go. You help me. Tear it. Right there, right there. Right there. Tear it down. Wow. What's this? You help me. Wow. What's this? Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, this is Island's gift. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
You have to sample it. Dali. Dali, there's more. There's more. I'll put it here. There's more. There's more. Put it here first.
This one. Sige, you open.
Let's open this. Help me. What? Okay, there. Pull.
Wow, many toys.
Wow.
Wow, many toys.
There's so many toys.
Wow.
It's a boat. You love it? Wow. I put it.
Wow,
Okay,
many
yeah,
toys. Wow.
It's a boat. Okay, there's more. Daddy will fix it later. Here. You open that one.
Yeah, you decide, you open here. Go. Hurry.
Oh, wow. It's a Paw Patrol. May ayaw na. Oh, there's more.
This one. Put it back.
Matakayat na. Okay, I'll open it for you, okay? Wow, what's this? Wow! What's this? Ay, wow. Ay, yung mga pati sa mga isurugan na. Yan, oh, yung mga nakasakay. Yan, oh.
Everybody, guys? Yeah.
Now, what's this? Here, oh. Ah, di ko kaya.
Me and Rocky.
Rocky kagad.
Everybody all ready? Yeah, let's work.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
How this? It's milky. Okay, you just play that, okay? Yeah, later na to, baby.
What's that? What's that?
It's Harsha.
What's that?
What's that? You forgot?
What's that?
No, I don't want it. Oh, there's one missing.
Wow.
What's that?
Everybody, stay up here.
Okay. And that's it for this vlog, guys. So, yan lang yung mga pictures namin ng birthday. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!